Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about choosing a research topic. The choice of a topic involves identifying a general subject area and defining a topic and narrowing it, and stating the topic as a question or hypothesis. The students who choose a subject with regards to his interest, his abilities, and the availability of materials, also the length of the paper to be written, and any other consideration which the instructor may suggest on the basis of his existing knowledge and of a quick survey of the resources of his library. He should then limit his subject as preciously as possible, realizing that he may and probably will have to make further adjustment later. Source of selecting a topic. You can employ one of the following methods to make your choice. For example, reading a magazine article. A current news magazine can direct you to a subject that interests you in order to lead you into a research project. Drawing upon past experiences. Personal experiences such as travel on direct observation may lead to a subject. Relying on previous knowledge. Books, academic courses, and the previous research projects can sometimes provide you with an appropriate subject. If you have read a book, some of its ideas may direct you towards a topic. An earlier research project may have suggested ideas that you were unable to pursue all the time. Review or reworking of an earlier report or paper might need to a new research work. Communicate with others. Conversation, discussions, and even argument can be there. Genesis of research papers. Discussing idea in a group or with a friend, you might hear an approach to an old problem that could evolve into a subject. Using references, works, and guides. Reading about a particular subject or several topics in a general references work, such as encyclopedia, can give you a general idea and lend you ground for the investigation. Some books on research include lists of suggestions for research paper projects. In choosing a subject or a topic for your research, there are some considerations you have to avoid, such as subjects that are so hard to investigate, subjects that are too difficult to investigate, highly technical subjects, conversational subjects, vague or obscure subject, contemporary subject, or recent subjects, too broad subjects, and also too narrow subjects. Keep in mind you have to stay away from these types of subjects. There are certain criteria for selecting a topic, such as interest. You must be interested to this subject because you will be widely and deeply involved with the investigation of your research project. And if you are bored, your paper will reveal unhappy facts. Importance. You will want to devote your time to a topic of considerable importance and interest to your readers. Your instructor or advisor should confirm the importance of your topic, and your paper should convince readers of its significance. Background. You must have that background to treat the subject. You should not be away from a new subject. You had better to handle such subjects with adequate preparation. Availability of resources. You should choose a subject about which adequate information is available in a variety of sources. You must be able to locate the important sources with a minimum of difficulty. Objectivity. You should keep in mind that the research paper is impersonal in nature. You should be sure that your work is not subjective and argumentative. Appropriateness. This can be applied through the certainty of the sources obtainable, whether they are primary or secondary. Research writing requires accurate facts and evidence to support your work project content. Manageability. You have to be careful of a topic will help you conduct research successfully. If a topic is too vague or broad, too narrow, or too specialized, you may not be able to find enough suitable material. In brief, the topic for a research paper must meet 3 demands. It must examine a significant issue. It must address an knowledgeable reader and carry that reader to another plateau of knowledge. It must have a serious purpose analysis of the issues, reduced from a position and explains complex details. For more information and details, please visit the link in the description box. Thank you and have a good day.